Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Roblox on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to the official Roblox website. If you don't have an account, click sign up to create one or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, go to any game you want to play. Click the green play button or the blue button, and Roblox will prompt you to download the Roblox Player if it's not installed yet. Then click download and install Roblox. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and click install. The Roblox Player will install on your PC or laptop, and a shortcut may appear on your desktop. And after installation, go back to your browser and click play on any Roblox game. The game will automatically launch through the Roblox player and you're ready to play. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.